Yeah, as you can see now, this is the place of worship we are building. Um, you can see we have finished the later stage. Let's come inside now, please. We are finished the later stage. Um, After finishing the later stage now, what remains now is to roof. But as you can see, what we have here is that here we don't want pillars inside this place of worship. We don't want pillars here because pillars has a way of locking people. So how we the engineer building the place of worship, what we have come to do is this, according to plan, is to build. You can see up there. Look up there. You can see three places. We are trying to bring 16 inches beam. 16 inches beam will cross from here to this side, then from this side to this side. So it will be like three beams. The biggest beam, 16 inches beams will cross it. So that the roofing, all the roofing distance we some pole lines, and then the rafter we base on that beam. So by so doing, you can see by so doing, we will roof this place without having any pillar inside. Then if we come in this side, you can see that we have gone very far. We have gone very far. This is the altar arena. And then by here we have the chapel there, we have the offices and the Holy of Holies and so on and so forth. So why we are here now is just to show you the stage we are now. The stage we are now is the roofing stage. So at this point now we are making progress, and at this point we are soliciting for support from anybody, anywhere you can come of help to help us in any stage. I know we have stage by stage, but at this point in time we want to roof it. Then after roofing, we have other stages like wiring and piling windows and doors and everything. So in any way you can support us to get this place ready, because my intention is that we want to get this place ready by December 1 to do the consecration of this place of worship. As we do the Odinana.